Welcome to Lagniappe, a program about events, issues, and people. I'm Cory Crowe. I'm joined today by Sara Flanagan and Mark Guinn, and they are both members of the Society of American Fight Directors. Welcome. Thank you both for being with us today on Lagniappe.
Hey, good morning, Cory.
Yeah, thanks for having us.
And folks, Mark is the director of theater at Louisiana Tech University, and I guess Sara is, Mark, one of your former students?
That's correct. One of former students, distinguished alumni of the graduate program, and a certified teacher with the Society of American Fight Directors, and more importantly, coordinator of the National Stage Combat Workshops, currently on the campus of Louisiana Tech University, being hosted by Tech Theater players.
The Society of American Fight Directors, what is the organization all about, Sara?
So one of the primary goals of the organization is creating safety standards within the world of stage combat to promote education and training and protect actors who are performing in shows and taking our classes all over the country.
I guess we are all probably familiar with the Western that was shot here recently, and the young lady, the cinematographer, was shot with Alec Baldwin with what turned out not to be a stage weapon, but a real weapon. Let's talk a little bit about that. That safety on stage, safety on the set is something that you can't mess with.
It's true, and I can't speak to the particulars of that incident, but I can tell you that whenever we're setting up any sort of illusion on stage, you want to have 2 or 3 safeties in place. And so for something like that to have gone wrong, several people did a portion of their job incorrectly simultaneously.
Mark, you've got folks from, it's a national stage combat workshop. You got folks actually from all over the world coming in to Ruston, Louisiana. How long does the workshop run?
The National Stage Combat Workshops run 3 weeks. It's 3 weeks of intensive training, and it's multiple workshops that are happening under a single umbrella. We've got the Actor Combatant Workshop, the Advanced Actor Combatant Workshop. In the future, we'll be seeing the Intermediate and perhaps Fight Director. We had the Teacher Certification Workshop. The Advanced and the Actor began last week, and then next week we have the Introductory Stage Combat Workshop, which introduces anyone that's interested in the weapon training systems of the Society of American Fight Directors, of which there are 8 different weapons, introduces them to all 8 weapon styles and provides opportunity for training. And there are still slots available.
Let's talk about that, Sara. The event starts when, and when can folks, if they want to learn more about this, when can they go and where do they go?
Absolutely. So if folks were interested in the Introduction to Stage Combat Workshop, that actually starts this coming Monday and runs for 2 weeks. And if you just want to come on and check it out a little bit, we have our Skills Proficiency Test Day is Saturday, August 6th. That is open to the public. And the students at our workshop will be performing fight scenes with dialogue and choreography and a lot of different weapon styles, so they're pretty exciting and fun to check out. We do have a COVID safety plan in place, so you'd need to be masked and vaccinated in order to attend that. But we begin rolling at 9 a.m. and we don't stop till we're done. So that often goes till 2 or 3 o'clock in the afternoon.
Yeah, it's the best 3-minute theater out there. The standards of the organization stipulate that scenes must be performed within a 3-minute time limit for whatever weapon it is. So it's 3-minute fight, 3-minute fight, 3-minute fight, all day long in multiple weapon styles.
Let's talk a little bit about weapons. What kind of weapons do you see at one of these events?
Absolutely. So the Society of American Fight Directors offers training certifications in 8 different weapon styles. They are unarmed, rapier and dagger, broadsword, single sword, small sword, sword and shield, knife, and staff. And you will see examples of 6 of the 8 coming up this weekend. And we do also offer a 14-hour theatrical firearms safety certification for performers to help keep folks safer.
You've got folks, you said coming in, you had a person coming all the way from Iceland to this?
Yeah, we do. One of our folks is Icelandic and living in Germany and came over just for this.
That is amazing. Mark Guinn, the director of theater at Louisiana Tech, about how many folks, when you get everybody there and all accounted for, about how many folks do you have that'll be part of this workshop?
The workshop, the numbers, staff included,
We're at about 100.
about 100 and a little over 80 participants this year. Like everyone else, we're seeing numbers starting to come back to pre-pandemic level, but it's pretty fabulous.
The event going on in Ruston, the running for a few weeks here, but then Saturday, August 6th is the big test day where folks can come watch that Saturday 9 until 12 at Howard Auditorium and Stone Theater. Mark, tell me a little bit about the upcoming theater season at Louisiana Tech. What are you guys going to be doing this year?
The three main stage, because we're on the quarter system in the fall. It's it's the Fall Theater Festival, focusing on original work from student playwrights and providing opportunities for young directors in the program to get their first opportunity directing. The theme this year is Unseen Voices. In the winter, a divine kerfuffle, a farce coming from a friend, H. Russ Brown, out of Texas, and then in a swashbuckling farce, mind you, and then in the spring, the Percy Jackson musical, The Lightning Thief.
Sara Flanagan and Mark Guinn with us today, the Society of American Fight Directors, the National Stage Combat Workshop going on at Louisiana Tech University. Sara, for folks to find out more about the organization and the events over the upcoming weeks, where can they go?
Absolutely. You should check out www.safd.org or safdnscw.com for more information about the workshop specifically.
And to find out about this and other events, be sure and visit our website, KEDM.org. This is 90.3 KEDM Monroe.